South China Li Neng Technology Huizhou Company Limited is located on the east coast of the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area in Huizhou City, with a factory area of 15,000 square meters. It is a private enterprise that integrates research and development, production, operation, as well as service. The company mainly develops, designs, and produces heat dissipation products and metal structural components. Three major sectors, namely consumer service heat sinks, energy storage heat sinks, and new energy power battery heat sinks, represented by CPU and GPU artificial intelligence chips, have been preliminarily formed. Metal structural components include medical, home, 5G communication, intelligent wearable, automation equipment, energy storage pipelines, new energy vehicles, as well as other related supporting metal structure components. The company focuses on research and development, high quality, high efficiency, and high service as the core of its development, and follows a characteristic professional path to solve doubts and difficulties for customers. We have provided many kinds of design solutions for our main customers and put them into mass production. The company collaborated with universities to conduct research on the correlation between the ultimate bending and material elements of low-cost hybrid vehicles and energy storage pipelines, and worked with raw material manufacturers to overcome the welding difficulties of 6 series materials, all of which were put into mass production.